Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock. Good day, folks. Good day. Yes. Rock and roll. Buff away. Okay guys, here's 5 essentials for a small boat. Okay, the obvious one, yep, you got it, the life jacket. Okay, this is a flotation device. Make sure you've got plenty of these, not just for you or your friend, but for all your passengers that you're likely to ever have on your boat. It's absolute must. Rock and roll. Ring ring goes the bell, guys. Yep, you heard that loud and clear, and so do swimmers. They never ever hear the sound of a horn. They never seem to hear the sound of a horn, ladies and gentlemen. You'll have a lot of swimmers in front of you. They never hear the hooter or the horn. But when I ring this bad boy, okay, the swimmers can actually hear the high-pitched frequency more than the horn. So get yourself a good bell, okay, and put it on your boat. Okay guys, another thing that's not really mentioned on YouTube is rope. Okay, I have lots of different ropes. I must have about 20 different types of rope. This thick one that I've got here is for when we moor up in a harbour somewhere at night. I know it's really thick, and I've got a few of these purely for docking at night for an overnight stay. Oh yes, another fun of boating, guys, another adventure. Okay, the next rope I've got is purely for mooring up for short stays. It's a lot thinner, good quality rope. Don't go for the cheap rope, go for the really good quality ones. They'll last you a lifetime, and they'll probably even save your life one time as well. So, but this, I'm all ready to cleat up. What I'll do, I'll put that straight through the cleat, okay, and then I've got enough line here to tie on to another boat, okay, so we can come alongside. An absolute must. So do make sure you've got plenty of rope, and lots of it, and lots of quality rope as well. All right, don't forget, guys, worth its weight in gold. Okay guys, another real must is to have a VHF radio, even if it's a portable one like this. I have got one that's fixed. Okay, you can see it's on channel 16, which is the International Rescue Thunderbird station. That is all fixed in there with my aerial. It's a 25 watt VHF radio, so I can reach most ships with at least within about 30-mile radius of where I am right now. However, if you haven't got the space or the funds to afford something like that that's fixed, then why not go for a hand portable? This is superb. This is a hand portable by Cobra, okay, Cobra Marine. It's only a 3 watt, but it can go up to a maximum of 6 watt. Very useful for talking to the harbour master or anybody coming alongside, coming towards you, anything like that, or even in a distress. This will help save your life, okay? Have one of these babies on board and you won't go far wrong. And it gives you peace of mind as well. Another real must, guys, is one of these. Yep, you've got it. It's a retractable retriever. Okay, what I mean by that, it enables me, it extends, okay, and it enables me to grab hold of my boy like that. I'll give you a quick demonstration. Okay, let's get that one off. There you are. So so I've just come into the harbour and I need to get this rope. Okay, there you go. And then all I do is grab hold of that, put it on that cleat there. That's my stern sorted. Yeah, not going to go anywhere. Okay guys, right, another essential is this. Yep, why is that? Well, the reason being is that every time I anchor, I like to do a visual so I can physically see the anchor dug in. Okay, or if I need more chain to be let out, so while I'm in the water I can always tell somebody to lower more chain for me. So that's why I have all this on board. It's an absolute essential, and obviously if you needed to make any repairs underneath the boat, then you've got the goggles to be able to hopefully fix that as well. So another essential guys, another essential. Okay guys, right, the next thing now is a depth finder. You need a depth finder. Well, I feel you do anyway. It's absolutely perfect. It gives you can see my depth right now is 30 feet deep. I've got it in feet and not meters because I'm an old school guy and I can visualize feet more than the meters metric. So 30 feet, you can see what's on the seabed. Okay, that's sand, flat, awesome, great bit of kit. You can see that I'm coming in, this is the seabed, some fish there. I'm at 34 feet at the moment, 33 now. And it's a really good indicator, big help at knowing what depth you're at to be able to anchor correctly. This is a beautiful little bay. It is sand. Okay, you can see that there's a bit of an incline now as we get shallower and shallower. And I can come in quite shallow here. As you can probably hear, I've got a bit of a headwind. The water is beautifully calm. Look, you can see the incline there as we're coming shallower and shallower in towards the bay. Okay, I shall go into about 10 feet. There we are. There's the rear. There's the view from my view. The good thing about sonar, guys, is that you can actually assess how much length of chain or how much length of rope, if you've got your anchor on a rope, how much road you need to let out. Once again, if you can't afford one of these units or you haven't got the space for one of these units, then just a small portable depth finder will suffice. It'll be perfect for you. Okay, so I would say put that in as an absolute must. So again, peace of mind that you've got the tools for the job. Once again guys, pretty basic stuff this, but the kill switch is an absolute must. Okay, if I was going at any speed and got tossed out of the boat, this will totally kill the engine. Alright, kaput. All right. Yep, you've got it, the old kill cord. Okay, it's just connected just behind the ignition key there. If I was in any trouble and I got tossed out of the boat for whatever reason, then this will happen. There's the engine running. Sorry about the wind, it's a little bit windy on Crete today. You can hear the engine. Yeah. Watch this guys, watch this. There are no sound from the engine. Totally cuts it out, knowing that I'm fully safe, but also having the peace of mind that the engine will be cut out. I've got no worries about the propeller chopping anybody up, or even myself for that matter, and I can hopefully then swim to the boat, get back in the boat and set off again. Alright, so there you go, safety first. Guys, another essential, you've guessed it, fenders. You see how these fenders are protecting my boat and the other guy's boat next to me? You can't have too many fenders. Whoever designed and invented fenders wants a medal. They're worth the weight in gold. Don't go for the cheap ones, go for good ones. I mean, these were 50 euros each. I think they're probably even a bit more expensive than that now. But you can see, some guys don't bother. But it's well worth having fenders. An absolute must, guys. You can't have too many of them, in my opinion. Okay guys, hope you've enjoyed this video of my top tip essentials. But there is one more, especially if you're an Englishman. Yep, you've got it guys. Us English love our cups of tea. Oh yes, there we go. So there you go, guys. That's my roundup of essentials, and hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget to subscribe, place a like or a comment. Alright, hope it's been help to you and hope you've had fun with it. Alright, take care, enjoy your boating. Till next time, rock and roll.